possession.
Hello, welcome into the final game of round 2 Super Rugby 2020. Jose Amalfitani Stadium in Buenos Aires. Jordy Barrett, no problem at 6'5". Big advantage. James Blackwell.
Tackler out. Number 8.
Jordy Barrett. He's got some size and some power and some accuracy. Has he? What about that? Prinsep. Proctor. Billy Proctor! First try, Hurricanes, the referee.
Time off.
Indicating he wanted to have a look at something.
Let's see.
Yeah, obstruction.
That's obstruction.
Number 8.
Gareth Evans hung out the left
I've got a decision.
hand as well. See him holding him back.
So there's obstruction by 8 Gray here. That's a penalty against Gray. So I'm cancelling the try and giving a penalty against Gray.
Kubeli. The ball goes behind Miotti, but they recover. Moroni, quality player, gets them just beyond the 22. Kremer.
Tackle.
Kubeli, De La Fuente, couple of decoy runners, and then Miotti with a nice ball over the top. Boffelli. Kubeli. Couple of decoys, Miotti, short ball. Kremer, what a line, what a carry, and what a try.
And just impressed with their option taking from phase play, the Jaguares. And then short ball, good angle, missed tackle. And the sum of that equation is try time, Jaguares.
A drop kick from Miotti is going to go to the left. A much better showing from the Hurricanes. After the frustration of last week, we go to the halftime break. The Jaguares 10-9 over the Hurricanes in what was an entertaining half of rugby. With a nice break down the right side, now they shift quickly to the left edge. Carreras, Boffelli! Another try for the Jaguares.
The shoulder on him, but not enough to affect. Oh, hang on a minute.
Oh, Jordy Barrett. That's no try, he's out. Way before he gets the ball down. What a game Jordy Barrett's having. 85 test veteran. Clevy finds Petty at the front of the line out. And now the Jaguares in control, drive the ball forward. Clevy in the boot. Taking big meters off the Hurricanes defence. Here they come, there's a penalty advantage. They are a different side, Jaguares, with Krevy at the front.
There it is. Always had structure, always had momentum, always had drive.
The crowd will tell you, it's a converted try.
If you're part of the ruck, you can't pick it up. No. Leave it now, Black 16.
Better than that.
Oh, he's fallen awkwardly here. Oh, he's done well.
This is a competitor indicating a scrum. Yes! What about that? Alex Fidel. There's the finish by the front rower, fresh from the bench.
All clear, Russell.
Thank you.
Still taking meters off Jaguares' defence. There's a short ball and an offload. And the right foot step, and there's a tip on Jamie Booth. What about that from the Hurricanes? Started deep inside their own half. They were patient.
But Laumapi, have a look at him, loops around, then comes back on the angle, draws the defender. Jamie Booth.
Stay 9-9.
Jackson, Gunn and Bachapus had a terrific game as the final save. What a win and what a game. But more importantly, what a performance from the Hurricanes. 26-23 over the Jaguares.